Hello, money explorers! Today, we're going to solve an important money mystery. Imagine you have 100 rupees. Would you spend it on A, healthy food, or B, a new video game? How do you decide? That's exactly what we're learning today. Welcome to Needs versus Wants. Let's begin. Chapter 1. What are needs? Needs are things we must have to live safely and stay healthy. Without needs, life becomes difficult. Some examples of needs are A, food, B, clean water, C, shelter, D, clothes, E, healthcare, F, basic education. Needs help us survive and grow. Think of needs as the things our lives depend on. Chapter 2. Meet Tommy. Tommy has 100 rupees. He goes shopping with his mom. While walking through the market, Tommy sees bread, milk, a new video game, chocolate. Tommy wants everything, but he only has 100 rupees. What should he buy first? Let's find out. Chapter 3. What are wants? Wants are things that make life more fun, comfortable, or enjoyable, but we can live without them. Examples of wants? Video games, candy, toys, new gadgets, ice cream, theme park visits. Wants are not bad. They simply come after our needs are taken care of.
Chapter 4. Needs versus Wants Challenge. Let's play a game. I'll show an item. You decide if it's a need or a want. Ready? Let's go. Apple. Answer: need. Food helps us stay healthy. Video game. Answer: want. Fun to have, but not necessary to survive. Drinking water. Answer: need. Our bodies need water every day. Ice cream. Answer: want. Delicious, but not essential. House. Answer: need. We need shelter and protection. Toy helicopter. Answer: want. Fun to play with, but not necessary. Great job, money explorers. Chapter 5. Why is this important? Understanding needs and wants helps us make smart money choices. Imagine you have 500 rupees. You need school books, but you also want a new game. If you spend all your money on the game, you might not have enough for the books. That's why smart people buy needs first. Then they spend on wants if money is left. Chapter 6. The Smart Spending Rule. Here's Tommy's smart spending rule. Step 1. Buy your needs first. Food, school supplies, clothes. Step 2. Save some money. Put money in your piggy bank. Step 3. Use what's left for wants. Games, ice cream, toys. That's called smart money management. Chapter 7. Penny's story. Meet Penny the piggy bank. Every week, Penny gets 50 rupees. One week she wanted chocolate, new toy, game card. But she also needed school notebook. Penny bought the notebook first. Then she saved some money. Later, she had enough money for the toy too. That's smart spending. Fun quiz time. Question 1. What comes first? A, wants, B, needs. Answer: needs. Question 2. Is drinking water a need? Answer: yes. Question 3. Is a video game a want? Answer: yes. Question 4. Should we save money after buying our needs? Answer: yes. Excellent work, money explorers! Chapter 8. The secret of smart money kids. Smart money kids know needs come first, wants come second. Saving is important. Spending wisely helps achieve goals. Remember, you don't need to stop having fun. You simply learn how to make smart choices with your money. That's how future millionaires think. Conclusion. Today we learned what needs are, what wants are, the difference between needs and wants, why smart spending matters, how saving helps us reach goals. Next time on Junior Finance School, why saving is important. Until then, keep learning, keep saving, keep growing. Bye, Money Explorers!